Hey, what's going on, guys? My name is Zero Davila. Welcome back to Save Our System IT. Today we're gonna launch a series about BusyBox. I'll present, talk about and explain all the utilities offered by the BusyBox binary and talk about when and how they would be used in the real world, so you can at least have an idea about what you might need to complete a certain task when that need arises. This series will have 25 episodes, and for the sake of consistency, I'll present 8 commands per video, in order. If you're interested in a certain command, you'll have a good idea about where it might be found. After this one, there will be another comprehensive series about bash scripting, where we'll use all these commands in actual practical scenarios. But now let's get back to the matter at hand. BusyBox is a multi-call binary, and for those of you out there that are not familiar with the term, that basically means it's a single program that acts as multiple programs depending on what parts of it we call, used as a minimalistic replacement for GNU core utils, utillinux, and so on. These commands are the absolute core of Linux. So why BusyBox? Why the minimalistic versions of the Linux commands when you can use the full versions? Well, first of all, it's very useful to those who are new to Linux and are trying to learn it from scratch, but the main reason is that it's very lightweight. It was optimized for usage with scarce and limited resources, like Android devices, for example. We can use BusyBox on an Android device with a Linux terminal emulator, and just like that we made a tiny Linux computer from our Android phone or tablet. You can also use it on a Raspberry Pi and on other small systems that don't have much available RAM, processing power, and or available memory. BusyBox is also extremely modular, so we can easily include or discard commands ourselves. The fact that it's easy to configure and that we have the ability to select only the commands that we need, that means we can reduce the size of the binary, in case we don't have enough available memory for the stock BusyBox. We can execute config or make menu config to select only the functionalities that we need. Then we execute the make command to compile our configurations. After compiling, we would use make install to install the binary in the directory specified by config prefix. On my machine, it's in /bin/busybox. If you want to write shell scripts that use the BusyBox commands and other core util versions, all we have to do is write the path to it on the first line in something called a shebang. From hashtag !/bin/bash to /bin/busybox. Well, that pretty much sums up the introduction to the series. I'll see you all in the next video where we will start learning about the first 8 commands of the BusyBox binary. That's about it for today. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Any questions you might have are to be left down in the comment section or on our website www.sosit.co. Again, that's www.sosit.co. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.